This is like kind of like a hygiene video, a hygiene tips video. Another one like girls, like about odor and stuff. So you could just, you have your little coconut oil. I have my coconut oil right here, and you could have like do yogurt tampons or coconut oil tampons, yogurt douching, coconut oil douching. You can do anything to get rid of that BV or odor or smell better, about now. So you take your little tampon, you soak it in coconut oil, and you just insert it for a couple hours. And you can do the same thing. So frozen yogurt tampons. Okay, right now I'm just in my brow. Take your little tampon applicator, push the tampon out itself. Take the yogurt, get a funnel, put the yogurt in the thing. You need plain yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. Okay. Put it in the little applicator. Wipe the outside if it's spilled. Put it in the freezer for a couple hours. Take it out, and there you go. All you need is like, a pan liner, or just for the spillings, or when it comes out, flows out of it. So this will help with smells and any odor you have. So I'm kind of bad right now, but I got my regular ones. This is like from L. I need to buy me some more. I need to buy me some more pads. But I will be going in more depth. I want to try to make these because I'm going to do the coconut oil tampon right now because I've been experiencing some odor. So I'm going to try it because, man, this odor got to go. And it's just coming from like the opening. That's the only where it's coming from. And it's like, I need to get rid of this, okay? So I don't know if I got an infection or something, but I don't know, I'm gonna try it and just keep it in for a couple hours. So I'm gonna soak it in this thing right now. So I'm gonna be right back with y'all with the kind of update. Okay guys, I put it in. Like I soaked it until I put like almost all of it. Twirled it all in the coconut oil, and I inserted it in me. Okay, it I could kind of feel it still, probably because I'm not on my period, or I'm not, that them couple days, like 1 or 2 days off after your period, but I could still feel it. But guess what? I don't care about the little slight discomfort. But guess what? I need this because that smell gotta go. Cause actually, before I even put that in, I actually washed myself up. So I'll clean myself with some Vagisil. This is my favorite one. The other one is Thank to Me. So I actually like this one since it smells so much good. It's not even a word. That's not even. But use it in bad context, okay? But it smells much better to me, and I love it. The smell is like refreshing, and I'm gonna probably keep this just so when I get my yogurt again, because I did have yogurt before when I was trying to get on my diet. Actually didn't want it more because it tastes disgusting, but now since I realized you can use the yogurt other than just diet for it, I'm gonna go buy it again and just use it for my but like smelling purposes only, like my girls, trying to smell good, keep that odor down. So I'm gonna keep this. And so that was a little short video. This was a little short video about it. So I just wanted to go show y'all what I'm doing and what I actually watched a lot of videos on it. So next I want to go try the yogurt douching. Yes, I want to go try the yogurt douching. So I should put a pin line in my underwear. That's what I'm gonna go do. So, and I'm watching this new show on Netflix. It's called Back Summer. Or with this, it's about zombies or something. So it's called Back Summers or Black Summer. one of them. But it's because about zombies. I love zombie movies. I love it. So if you got good zombie movies, tell me down below so I can go watch them, okay? But anyways, thank y'all for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so we know about every video. Hit me up on my social media. Go follow me on social media too. And yeah, have a good day. Smell fresh all day, every day.